Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna do some boxing combos and we'll do meditation. Why meditation? Because participating in a blood sport, boxing is a blood sport and it is meant to be very kind of dangerous sport. And some people think that it's more dangerous than mixed martial arts as its target boxing's main target point targets are head, and which is a very sensitive area of your body. If you just hit the temple, like you have really high chances of injuries. So let's start with boxing combos. First boxing combo, as I said in if you remember guys, one is jab, second is cross, third is hook, and fourth is uppercut. So this would be our third combo. 1, 2, 3. Jab, cross, and hook. So if you let me show you guys this combo in movement. So it's 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3. Now I'll show you guys slowly. And always remember that whenever you punch, even if it's jab or cross, your hand should be over here in cover. 1, 2, and 3. And you can also kind of do your hooks like this, unorthodox style, because it can just knock those jaws out. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you guys have really kind of good hip flexors. You just before doing these combos, open up your hip flexors for having a good movement. Second, for our this is fourth combo. In this video, it's second. So our fourth combo is jab, cross, hook, and cross. So it's jab, cross, hook, and cross. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay. So this is kind of a when many fighters just don't they just throw 1, 2, just 2 punches. We don't want that. A really skilled fighter would never ever throw punches less than 3 together. Just do you can also make your own combos. This combo is basically just for attacking. Okay, add your footworks and just movements, bob and slip. So it's I can modify my own thing. So if you want to see a modified combo, here's an example: jab, cross, hook, and a cross. I included bobbing, I included slip, I included my footworks, my hip movements. So that's it for the combos. Now let's do some meditation. As I told you the importance of meditation for boxing, it's kind of basically for your mental well-being, being stable and performing well in your boxing. First of all, have your back straight, your chest up, and relax your shoulders. You don't have to feel any burden or any pressure. Okay? Just inhale from your nose and exhale from your other nose. This breathing exercise calms your mind and it also kind of releases the endorphins from your body. It's kind of it gives you a mental pleasure, okay? And I personally think so that this breathing exercise is really good for health also, and it will also increase your focus and it gives you mental peace as well. The second exercise that I would prefer is that just like have your back straight and just like place your hand like this. These are kind of one of the chakras I know, and it gives you kind of a positiveness as per the chakras. And just close your eyes and just concentrate on your breathing. Like inhale, exhale. Don't think of anything, just like let go all your kind of burdens and anything that is holding you back in your boxing match or in your life. You can also just kind of stay like in this position without normally breathing, and you don't have to think anything. Just this is for your mental peace. As you train your body, you also have to train your mind to be focused, to have good reflexes and that whole things. The other exercise I would prefer is that releasing. Okay, you just have to release your breath. Like place your hands like this and just many people think that this is a like kind of a fat burner also, because it kind of releases your toxin air, and it is good for your abdomen also, even your stomach, and this also like gives you mental peace. But you have to do this all exercise with focus and with kind of discipline. I'm not telling to do kind of 1 hour or 2 hours of thing. Just give 10 minutes or 12 minutes per day. It's really nice, and I guarantee you guys that if you follow these kind of like meditation exercises, like for just 30 days it will really help you. Okay, so thank you guys for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and learned something from this video. Like, I just want to tell you guys that your mental peace is the main thing in every arena of your life. Whether it's your game, whether it's your career, whether it's anything. Okay, train your mind hard, then you train yourself physically. Okay, your mind is the main key to all the things. Okay, thank you. Like, share, comment, and just smash that subscribe button. Okay, thank you guys.